Minimizing friction. Objective: to understand the different ways by which we can minimize friction. Frictional force enables us to walk and hold objects. It even helps in stopping a moving car. As friction opposes motion, it is not useful at all times, especially in the case of a machine with moving parts. For example, you may have observed that while cycling, extra effort is needed to overcome the friction produced by the different parts of the bicycle to get it moving. This is the case too with door hinges and sliding windows, which also have moving parts. Due to the rusting of certain parts of these machines, which increases friction, they get stuck and do not move smoothly. So, wherever friction causes a problem, we try to reduce the friction by using different methods. Lubrication. Applying lubricants such as oil or grease to the moving parts of a machine reduces friction. Reducing friction in these parts helps the machine to run smoothly. Polishing. Polishing is another way of reducing friction. The pistons, which slides up and down inside the four-stroke engine of a car, move smoothly due to their polished surfaces. Such surfaces help to reduce the friction and give the engine of a car a longer life. Streamlining. Note the shape of this car. It has a streamlined shape which helps in reducing the friction with air, thus helping it move forward with ease. Aeroplanes also have a streamlined shape to reduce friction from air molecules while flying, and so do ships. To reduce friction with water, water moves with less friction over the streamlined surface and the ship moves forward easily. Suitcases and luggage carts are fitted with wheels. The round wheels move easily as the resistance due to the friction from the ground is reduced, and the luggage can be easily moved by being rolled. Rolling friction is better than sliding friction. Ball bearings. The wheel of a cycle rotates on a fixed shaft. There is a lot of friction between the wheel and the fixed shaft. To minimize this friction, smooth metal balls called ball bearings are used as rotating parts in the shaft. These metal balls are usually arranged between two rings and rotate with less friction. This ball bearing inside the rings roll around between the rings. This prevents the parts of the machine from directly rubbing against each other and thus helping in reducing friction. To summarize, wherever friction causes a problem, we try to reduce it. Friction is reduced by lubricating, polishing, streamlining, and by using wheels and ball bearings.